All right, number 8, the marginal productivity theory of income distribution is that, and this comes down to the exact same graph that I've been drawing for the last few problem sets, and that is this idea of wages over here, quantity of labor is down here. All right, and generally in a perfect competition, you have marginal factor cost, right, which is the supply of labor, and MRP, which equals the demand for labor. And you produce until here, right? You hire people until there. And the idea is that the last person you hired, because MFC, marginal factor cost, equals marginal revenue product, and you want to produce at that point, is this idea that you want to make sure that the last person you hire is producing enough revenue, right? Like that it justifies their salary, but all people are then paid the same salary. Thus, A, each factor is paid the value of the output generated by the last unit employed in the factor market as a whole. So you're hiring until marginal factor cost equals marginal revenue product. That is the wage rate you're paying. This is a backwards way of looking at it, but it's basically the same thing that we've been talking about throughout this unit.